Good morning, students. Today's topic in the topic of integration in the subject of pure mathematics 1 A levels is definite integrals. So this is our today's topic, definite integrals. So in this type of the integration we will adopt the same method of integrating the value, but the only difference will be that we will not put the constant c after integrating the equation. Listen again, after integrating the equation we will not put c. This will be the difference in these kind of the questions, because there will be upper limit and lower limit given. So actually we will have to put the upper and lower limit into the equation after integrating. So look now, when we will solve some questions, concepts will be clear in your mind. So first question is evaluate. So requirement for all questions is evaluate. The first question is x dx and limit is from 1 to 2. So this is the question. So look now, first we will ignore these limits and we will integrate this equation, this function, in the normal way. So integral of this one will be x square over 2. So look now, we have not placed the constant c. So after integrating the value, we will put bracket and we will put lower limit in the lower corner and upper limit in the upper corner. And then we will put these limits into the value, like first upper limit will be put and then minus lower limit will be put. So look now, upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be the method. Listen again, first we will integrate in a normal way, in a usual way, but the only difference will be we will not plus c. Okay, then we will put the bracket, lower number in the lower corner, upper number in the upper corner. Then the next step will be upper limit minus lower limit, and after that we have to solve it. So 4 over 2 will be 2 minus 1 by 2. So after taking LCM, answer will be 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay, we are solving some more questions. So 3x square plus 2x dx and limit is from minus 2 to minus 1. So look now, first we will ignore the limits and we will integrate this function in a usual way. So that will become 3x cube over 3 and it will become 2x square over 2, but we will not put c, okay, in definite integrals because we have to evaluate the values. Okay, then lower number in the lower corner and upper number in the upper corner. The next step will be upper limit minus lower limit. So look now, upper limit, that is minus 1 because 3 will be cancelled by 3 and 2 will be cancelled by 2. So upper limit minus 1 cube, minus 1 cube is minus 1 and minus 1 square is plus 1. So upper limit has been placed minus lower limit. So now lower limit is going to be applied into here. So minus 2 cube will be minus 8 and minus 2 square will be 4. So plus 4. Okay, in this bracket, these two values will be cancelled, make 0. So into this bracket, it will be minus 4, but outside is minus also. So it will be plus 4. So plus 4 is the answer. Okay, to make the concepts more clear, we are going to do some more questions. For example, x cube minus 4 over 3x square dx, and limit is from 2 to 3. So this is the question. First, we will reshape the question. So it will become 1 by 3. So look now, 1 by 3 is there. X square will be cancelled. So x will be remaining here. And with it, minus 4 by 3. And this x square will go in the numerator. So it will be x raised to the power minus 2. So we have transformed the question into this shape. Sign of integration is still there because we have not integrated it yet, but now we are going to integrate it. So first integrate this function in a usual way. So 1 by 3, and this x integrating is x square over 2 minus 4 by 3 as it is, and adding 1 will make minus 1, divide with minus 1 as well. Okay, and lower number in the lower corner, upper number in the upper corner. Okay, from here, first simple the values, so it will become x square over 6. Okay, this minus and minus will become plus 4 by 3x. So this x will come in the denominator, 4 by 3x. Limit is still there because we have not applied the limit yet, but at this step we are going to apply the limit now. So look now, upper limit, so 3 square 9 by 6. So upper limit is going to be applied. Okay, plus 4 by 9. Upper limit is applied minus lower limit. So minus 2 square 4 by 6 plus, because minus 2 will be placed here, so minus plus minus, so minus 4 by 6. Okay, this factor will be cancelled, and solving it, so 9 will be 9 6 are 54. 54 is the LCM. 6 9s are 9 are 81. 9 6 are 6 4s are 24. So 105 over 54. Okay, cancel it in the 3's table. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 8s are, and 35 by 18. So make it further solve because this is improper fraction. So one whole number, 17 by 18. So this is the answer. Okay, we are going to solve the last question in this category that will make your concepts clear because this is very easy. The same way we are actually integrating in the usual way, and after that limit will be applied in a way. First upper limit minus lower limit. So again listen, integrate the function in a usual way. After integrating, repeat the sentence, upper limit minus lower limit. So look now, another question is here, 5x minus 1 dx square root sign of integration. So this is the question and limit is from 1 to 2. So this is the question, and now we are going to solve it. So look now, this is having power 1 by 2. So 1 will be added in the power, that will make 3 by 2. that number will come into the denominator as well, and then take the differential of the value which is having the power. The differential is 5, so 5 will be placed in the denominator as well. So this is the integration of this function. Now put the bracket, lower number in the lower corner, upper number in the upper corner. First simple this value, so it will be 15 by 2, and it will go to the numerator, so 2 by 15 into 5x minus 1 raised to the power 3 by 2. Limit is still there, that is 1 to 2. At this step we will apply the limit. So look now, 2 by 15 into upper limit is going to be applied. So here 2 will be applied, so 2 5s are 10, minus 1 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. Okay, upper limit has been applied. Now minus lower limit. So 5 ones are 5, minus 1 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. So limit is applied. Now simple it. So 2 by 15 is still there. 9 is actually 3 raised to power 2. 2 will be cancelled, so it will be 3 raised to power 3. Minus this is 2 raised to power 2. 2 will be cancelled, so it is 2 raised to power 3. And at this step, 2 by 15 into 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So it is 19. So 19 twos are 38 over 15. So solve it on the calculator, that will be the answer. So this is the method to solve the definite integrals. So here are some properties of the integral. So when having the same upper and lower limit, that is a and a, so the integral of f of x dx will be 0, because when upper limit minus lower limit will be applied, so these values will be cancelled, so that's why the answer will be 0. Next thing is, if we reverse the upper and lower limits, so when we exchange the upper and lower limits, so lower limit will become the upper and upper lower. So look now, minus sign will be placed and function will be same. So if we reverse the upper and lower limits, minus sign will be placed. Next thing is, if there are two functions adding or subtracting, and there is a sign of integration with limits, so sign of integration with limits will be put individually with these values. And the last property is, if there is a limit from a to c, so it can be written like a to b and then b to c. So this is the last property. Again listen, if there is a limit a to c, then a to b function is there, then b to c function is there, and then we have to integrate the values. So these are some properties of the integrals.